Hello YouTube, how you doing? So it's a beautiful day outside and I feel really good and I want to go on a long run today. I haven't done a lot the past couple of days. Look at how nice it is. Yay. I haven't done a lot this past couple of days. I taught a cycling class yesterday and the day before was Tuesday, and I don't think I did anything on Tuesday. Oh, I took a class on Tuesday. So I've been cycling a lot. So I want to go for a run, and my body feels good. My head's a little tired, but I'm going to take Ella on about 2 or 3 miles, and then I'm going to come back and drop her off and keep going. We're going to have a great time. Aren't we, Ella? Are we going to have fun? You ready? Okay. This is like our first block. Ella is currently scared of this pile of sticks, I think. Come on, let's go. You're okay, sweetie, let's go. A little scaredy cat. Come on, come and smell it. Get out of there, come on, let's go. Okay, done with 10 miles. Boom, look how red I am. Honestly, that one was the first time that my shoulder started feeling fatigued. Like just this little ache, you know, that little like your muscle, you can just feel something's pulling kind of funky. Which probably has to do with my arm swing. My arm swing is like really wide, which I didn't even know until I was taking a picture for my Instagram and my arm swing was like way out here. I'm like, man, that looks terrible. Anyway, I digress. Now I'm about to eat. I meal prepped a bunch of salmon and rice. So I'm gonna show you guys my post-run meal / this is pretty much lunch. I'm also gonna have a protein shake because, you know, that was 10 miles. Gotta fuel the body. Okay, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Okie dokie, so it's not, oh my God, look at how red I am. Wow. This is not the sexiest meal of all time. It doesn't look that pretty, but it is very nutritious, I believe. And I love salmon. So if you're a big fan of salmon, go to Costco, buy that giant thing of salmon. They have steelhead right now. And just bake the whole thing with some salt and pepper and some olive oil, and you've got yourself this big ass piece of fish. Let me turn the camera around. So like I said, it's not the prettiest thing. Yellow zucchini squash, cauliflower, roasted, salmon. I've also got those power greens that I bought in that little Costco haul that I showed you guys. I ended up just putting those in a sauté pan and like making them a lot littler. I don't know, getting all the water out of them. And rice at the bottom, about half a cup of rice. So I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave and enjoy it. I'm also going to be enjoying a hefty scoop of this Gold Standard whey protein. I got this stuff from Costco as well. One scoop only has 120 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, some sodium, 3 carbohydrates, and 24 grams of protein. So that is a solid amount of protein. So that's it for today's vlog. Not a crazy day, but I hope you guys enjoyed going on a run with me, and now I'm gonna enjoy all this food. Boston is officially in, I just looked at the calendar, 2 months and 14 days. So one long run closer. I did order some new shoes online today. I got these Nike Lunar Epic Flyknit 2 shoes. They were on sale. I got 2 pairs of them. I do distance runs in my Hokas normally, but I'm really excited about these. So I'll show you guys, they should be in within a couple days. So I'll try to keep updating videos and keep doing this. Subscribe, thumbs up if you like looking at my sweaty, red, disgusting face. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.